Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video we will be checking out how we can trade successfully using these trading tools. Okay, do you know that you can be making between $100 to $8,000 or even more on daily basis depending on your capital using these trading tools? It is very easy to use, and of course you will love every bit about it. We got this setup yesterday, this particular trading setup yesterday, where we had a sell signal around here on the Telegram channel, and check it out, it sold till it got to this region. Here was the support zone, and of course it's pulled back from there, and of course so many people actually stop their trade around there, but later on I had to update the group to let them know that they can still continue with their trade, with the selling of the trade. So we had to come in around there again to sell more, and of course it's so till this very moment. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course it is important you understand how this trading tool works so that you can always milk the market successfully. Okay guys, I'm going to be explaining all this to you, and we get to see the other part of it and see more examples of what we just experienced. Now it is very easy to use. There are no two things there. There are no special stuff that I am doing on the chart apart from following what the indicator is giving to me. So that makes it very easy for me to do my analysis. Okay, so this is very important. So if you follow this information right from the beginning to the very end, you will be able to use the trading tool on your own without waiting for my own posting on the Telegram channel. That is if you're having the trading tool, the same trading tool that we are using. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy, do your own personal practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, like I said earlier on, you can be making between $100 to $8,000 and above on daily basis if you truly know how to use the trading tool. First of all, most of you, when you get a new trading tool, what you just want to do is to start making good amount of money from there, but you have refused to learn how it works, to understand it very well before going fully into it. But I will always advise you to practice and perfect your trading skill first using the trading tool very well, so that you get to know everything about the trading tool before you start using it on your real account. I think that is the first thing you need to do, and that is why your demo account is always there for you to make use of, except for those trading tools that you can only use on a single account. But this particular one, you can use it on both demo and real account. So why don't you practice it on demo account first before trying it out on your real account? Okay, so this is very important. So if you really know what you're doing, then the first thing you need to do is for you to know that, okay, you will be able, you should be able to check it out very well before you go fully into it. So first of all, what I will ask you to do is follow my instructions right here in case you don't know how to make use of it. Okay, so this is the same setup we did yesterday. I decided to make use of this in order for us to understand what really happened around here, and of course how we also milked more profit after that. Okay, we got a sell signal around here. First of all, this will not show, this cell that you are seeing will not show. This is the symbol that will show. You can see the magenta colored diamond shape. Okay, so I actually added this to it for every one of us to see that here is a sell signal. Okay, the magenta colored diamond shape signifies a sell signal, while the green color signifies a buy signal. And of course, you can see the red dotted line is signify a downtrend, while the green one signified on an uptrend. Okay, so that is very, very important. With that being explained, okay, we got a sell signal around there yesterday, and of course it's coming from a resistance. I've always been telling you, make sure you understand the trend of the market, and this has easily given us the trend of the market, and it is coming from the resistance zone. We've gotten a sell signal, so it means that the sell signal is very strong at that point, because even the trend is on downtrend, and of course, so there is no reason why we shouldn't go with a sell. So once you place an order around there, let's say we place an order around here, okay, and of course the next thing we should do is to put a stop loss at the top right here. Okay, the reason is, okay, this is spikes trading. You can see that we can use this indicator to trade spikes, and it's traded it for a very long time. And of course, you know, when it comes to spikes trading, it won't go into profit immediately. You should understand that it might not go into profit immediately. Okay, so you should try as much as possible to lock up your account. I mean, to protect your account to some level. Okay, so we are only risking this percentage of the account. Okay, so if the market should pull back and try to see if it will break out above this resistance zone, then definitely we will be taken out of the market even before it is broken out. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course, we placed our order here, and of course here is our stop loss. Okay, so this picked up from here and it started selling. It crashed down till it got to this region. And there is one thing I love about these guys. There is one thing about spikes trading. You can easily protect your profits once you start making profit, because there is no sudden reaction in the price of the market again. So all you just need to do is just to come in and lock up some part of your profit. Okay, you can put it at this stage, you can put it at 50% of the profits. That is, you are locking up 50% of the profit. This actually pulled back and it's got to this region. You can imagine it got to this region. Okay, so which means once it's got to this stop loss, then definitely you will be taken out of the market with the rest of the 50% of the profits. So that is the first profits you are making right there. That was what happened yesterday. And of course, it later got to the entry point and it started selling again. So immediately it got back to this point where we had another sell signal again. You are expected to come in around here again and put your stop loss somewhere here, and of course this will pick up from here. It went up a bit but didn't get to the stop loss and started crashing down and got to this region, got to this, and at this stage I expect you to adjust your stop loss down again to about 50%, because we are trading spikes. And of course this actually went up and came down again and again. At this stage you should adjust your stop loss to about 60 to 70%, and it got to this region, which is a major support zone. You can either close your trade there or probably you lock up 80% of your profit. Okay, so at this stage it came up a bit and got to this region, but immediately it touched the stop loss here, you will be taken out of the market with the rest of the 80% of the profit. So this is what really happened right here. We first of all made a little profit around here, which is about 50% of the total profit we made around here. And of course later on we came in around here again and we made some profits here again, which made it a very big profit right from there. The same thing is applicable for a buy trend. We got a buy signal around here and we decided to come in, and of course we are expected to put our stop loss around there, and this will keep on going up and up, and it got to this region. You can always lock up about 30% of your profit at this point, and this came back and it got to almost it almost got to the stop loss, but it didn't get there and went back up again. Okay, so at this stage you can still adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to lock up about 50% of your profit, and of course you keep on doing it like that till you are able to get to the last part of the trend. Okay, this actually got to this region, so at this stage I'm expecting you to lock up about 80%. Okay, so it got here, it got to the edge of the trend, okay, and crashed down. When it crashed down, it got you back to this region. Okay, what you're going to experience is that your stop loss will be shifted back to this point and it will close your trade for you, and you can see the profits which you have locked up for yourself and will go straight to your balance. Okay, so that is it. It is still the same method. You can see we got another sell signal around here, so you are supposed to come in and put your stop loss around there, and you can see it kept on going down and down till it got to this. So that is why I said you should understand the indicator very well. Once you understand it, then you will be able to put it into use and milk it and use it to milk the market. Either it is buying or it is selling. So far you are able to manage your trading business very well. Okay, the management of the trading business is also very vital, because this will help you to always be in profit all the time, and this is one major thing I have been preaching on this channel. Okay, and if you're on the Telegram channel, you always see me guiding you guys on how you can manage your trading activities, and that is why ever since we have been using this trading tool plus the what they called trading plus the trading method that we have been using. Okay, we have been winning back to back since last year around October that we've started using this trading tool. We have been, there is no day that we made a loss. We have been making profit day to day, back to back, on daily basis. Okay, so that's so amazing, and that is my testimony about this particular trading tool and this trading method. Okay, so you guys can put all this into practice and also try it out on your demo. You can even dedicate a whole day just focus on it, that you want to follow every rules attached to this throughout the day and see how much profit you will be able to make at the end of the day. Okay, so that is it. It is an amazing opportunity for you guys. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.